Hey there, this is Robert, and I just want to give this important special message. But this message is specifically to my baby boomers. So I'm talking to you. If you're in your late 50s, mid to late 50s, 60s, 70s, even early 80s, I'm talking to you. Today, as I record this video earlier today, we had a homegoing service for a very special person in my life and my family life. We worked with her and her husband in ministry for over 15, 18, 19, 20 years. And she was in her early 70s, but she's someone who loved the Lord. And with her, I can honestly say, because I've worked with her in helping her produce books, we've worked with her in just doing a lot of creative things. And we're so glad that we got a chance to be a part of helping inspire and cultivate and encourage her and show. And she did the same for us of things that were within her that she wanted to get out. So I know she did her best to go to heaven on an empty tank. That means that she went to heaven, not still harboring the gifts and talents that he's given, because God wants you to get that stuff out here on earth so that it can be a blessing to the people and bring glory to him. So I'm talking to you, baby boomers. Maybe you had to put life on hold when you were in your younger years for your family, to raise your family, to work and support. I get it. And you worked a career, and a lot of you all are in the retirement state, and you're living good. But there's still things in you that God wants to bring forth. There's still a book or books within you. There's still a business, possibly a ministry. There's still different things that are within you that you may have a desire to do, and you just need help on how to do it. You got these ideas and you want to be able to get them out, but sometimes, especially in today's age, there's so much information, it's overwhelming. And the technology and trying to figure that out, sometimes you just need a helping hand and assistance. So I want to invite you to a March 10th afternoon with me. Join me on March 10th. The registration will include dinner, but it will be a time in which we will get together and we will talk. I'll be able to share, hopefully encourage and inspire, and we all can conversate and see where you are. Help you, to encourage you, to see how I can be of assistance in helping you move forward with that vision, that desire, that thing within you that God still wants to bring forth. March 10th from 3 to 6. Get registered. This is not something that you should take lightly, but really seriously consider. And if you have friends or families, and those, if you're not in the age range of the baby boomers, I'm not counting you out either. Okay? So you feel free to come too. But those who are not, younger ones, if you have parents and you know that your parents, that mom, that dad, and they still got some things in them that they still desire to do. And it can be simple things, traveling, whatever it may be. Let our services help you to get those things out. Get them produced. God is about a producing God. He didn't put us on here to just live, pay bills, do simple mundane things and just die and wait to go to heaven. We need to live. And there's so much more we got to give out so that others can be blessed. So let's not be selfish. Get yourself registered. I want to see you there. There are about 25 spots, so fill it fast. Share it with others. Say, hey, come join me for a nice afternoon with Dr. Rob, and we're going to have dinner and just have a good time. And we're going to get those gifts, those talents, those things, those visions that still has yet to come out. I'm going to help you get those out. All right. God bless. And I want to see you March 10th, 3 to 6.